Hey, what's up, everybody? So, a few days ago, I've completed this kit. So, this is the Neptune kit, and I'm not gonna lie, this is the very most modular based Gundam that I've ever built. So, actually, what happened was I actually got a kit, which is the Neptune, which is this guy. This is the Neptune system. And then I realized that I do not have the weapons. So the weapons I have to buy it separately. But, as a matter of fact, I also need to buy the Uraven Gundam. So I managed to buy the Uraven Gundam quite a few years ago, probably about 4 or 5 years ago. So, and I didn't complete building this. So, yeah, last night I was completing this build, which is, not gonna lie, it's quite good. But I made a little bit of mistakes, but I still managed to build up pretty well. And yeah, it's built it out of the box. As I realized that there were a few parts that were untouched, because I only touched this guy. And yeah, Past Douglas forgot to put this guy as well. So if you can see here, yeah, that's the two sides that I forgot to put in. Past Douglas me. So yeah, this Gundam, this Neptune Gundam really represents Ina. So later I'll fit up and I'll show you more. But yeah, I really enjoy the build. So yeah, so I probably need these to fit up either the Neptunite or the Uraven Gundam. Yeah, so their planet systems are very modular based and cool. Not gonna lie, sweet. Hello there. So I'll be building this today. So I almost forgot that I have this in storage. So at the moment it was on sale, so it's about $6. So that's a good build. But I managed to actually build this guy. So this is actually from the kit of Uraven Gundam. Hey everyone, I'm back. So I would like to continue on with building the Neptune unit together with the Uraven Gundam. So yeah, we shall unwrap this first because I finally got it at a very secluded location, very well hidden in a neighborhood. So yeah, pretty good price, decent. So I shall open this. This is how it looks like in the unit form. But if you're going to use the Uraven, this is how the Uraven will look like. Let me tidy up. Before that, here you go. This is for the display stand for this guy. Yeah, it will be like that. There you go. Voila. I shall show you another part later on.